Alright guys, we're here at Airsoft 97, Akiba. This has considerably more guns and parts than the other shop. The other shop was more about gear, and Airsoft 97 is absolutely about the pieces and parts. And I'm sorry I'm talking low, but it's not trying to be loud. It's rude. Unlike the two Italian gentlemen that just walked in downstairs, basically talking at the highest volume they humanly could. HK53s. Nice magazine selection. And again, a lot of parts. A lot of parts. Outer barrels, barrel extensions. That's kind of cool. Guys, here else. Hatches. Butt stocks. Grips. Pretty much everything you want. So like downstairs is kind of a one-stop shop for kit. This place seems to be kind of a one-stop shop for your gear, or your guns and your equipment.